I certainly went off to medical school with every intent to be a sports medicine physician. The orthopedic surgery side of things was even more enticing, so I was able to blend in both the love for sports and my love for surgery, so it's really made this job an awful lot of fun. Yeah, I think an advantage of taking care of professional and high-level athletes is we see the most severe of injuries, and those injuries under very high pressure. And we take care of those routinely, and that comes back to us being a part of the research and those cutting-edge technologies that are developed, so that when that patient does come in, the 16-year-old young lady who may have torn her ACL playing soccer, it makes the opportunity to take care of her much easier and much more routine when we've experienced these more severe injuries. I'm particularly fond of university hospitals. My wife is a physician here as well. She's a neonatologist at Rainbow Babies and Children's. We're both very fortunate to work at such an incredible healthcare system. For us, it's great as we come home at the end of each day, able to share the things that we've done each day and how we've helped care for patients. Taking care of patients, and in particular athletes, it really is a long-term relationship with those patients, and it really is teamwork. So we're both in this together to help them get back out on the field.